In the grand story of science, we've unraveled countless wonders. We've mapped the human genome, peered into the hearts of distant galaxies, and even detected ripples in space-time itself. Yet, for all our incredible achievements, some mysteries remain stubbornly out of reach. Phenomena that defy our known laws of physics, events that challenge the very fabric of our reality. Today, we're diving deep into the unknown. Let's explore the top 5 unsolved mysteries that still have scientists scratching their heads. Coming in at number 5, the WOW signal. Picture this. It's 1977. At Ohio State University's Big Ear telescope, astronomer Jerry Amon is scanning radio waves from deep space. Suddenly, a powerful narrow-band signal bursts through, lasting for exactly 72 seconds. It came from the direction of the Sagittarius constellation, and it was unlike anything ever recorded. It was so extraordinary, so alien, that on the data printout, Eamon simply circled the signal and wrote one word: "Wow." And so, the legend of the WOW signal was born. For over 4 decades, we've tried to figure out what it was. It didn't match any known natural phenomenon, and it wasn't man-made interference. Could it have been a deliberate message from an extraterrestrial civilization? Or was it some rare, fleeting cosmic event we've yet to understand? The most frustrating part? Despite countless attempts to listen again, the signal has never been detected since. It was a one-time cosmic whisper. Scientists still hold out hope that new, more powerful telescopes might one day catch a similar signal. Until then, the WOW signal remains the most tantalizing clue we have that we might not be alone in this vast universe. Next up, at number 4, we have ball lightning. For centuries, people have reported seeing eerie, glowing orbs of light drifting through the air. These mysterious spheres have been seen rolling across fields, hovering inside homes, and even passing right through solid windows before vanishing. Reports go all the way back to ancient Greece. Sailors saw them dancing around the masts of their ships during thunderstorms, while villagers described them appearing from thin air, even on calm days. These luminous orbs can be as small as a marble or as large as a basketball. Sometimes they float gently, other times they move erratically, and occasionally they explode with a loud bang, leaving scorch marks behind. Modern science has been trying to crack this puzzle for decades. Is it a ball of superheated plasma created by lightning, or a complex chemical reaction in the air? Despite numerous theories, no one has managed to reliably create and sustain ball lightning in a laboratory. And here's the kicker. We now have video footage of this phenomenon. We can see it with our own eyes, yet scientists still can't agree on what it is. Ball lightning is a glowing, floating enigma, reminding us that nature still has a few tricks up its sleeve. At number 3, we have a mystery that feels almost supernatural: animals that sense disasters. We've all heard the stories. Just before the devastating 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, elephants were seen stampeding for higher ground. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas and flew inland. This wasn't an isolated incident. Similar patterns of strange animal behavior have been documented before major earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and hurricanes all over the world. This begs the question: do animals possess a sixth sense, an early warning system that humans lack? Scientists have a few ideas. Perhaps they are incredibly sensitive to subtle environmental changes we can't perceive: tiny vibrations in the Earth, shifts in atmospheric pressure, or changes in the planet's magnetic field. It could be an evolutionary advantage, a survival instinct honed over millions of years. Whatever the explanation, the phenomenon is real and has incredible implications. If we could finally understand how these animals know what's coming, we could potentially develop new, bio-inspired early warning systems. Imagine being able to predict an earthquake hours in advance, saving countless lives. It seems the animal kingdom may hold a secret that we humans have long forgotten. Now for our runner-up. At number 2, dark matter. This is a big one, a cosmic ghost story on a universal scale. When astronomers studied how galaxies rotate, they found something that broke the laws of physics. Galaxies were spinning so fast that, based on the visible matter we could see, the stars, gas, and dust, they should have torn themselves apart. The gravitational pull just wasn't strong enough. So, there had to be something else there. Something invisible, providing the extra gravity needed to hold everything together. They called this mysterious, unseen substance dark matter. Here's the mind-bending part. Scientists now believe that dark matter makes up about 85% of all the mass in the universe. Everything we can see, everything we've ever known, planets, stars, galaxies, you and me, accounts for less than 15% of the cosmos. The rest is completely invisible. It doesn't emit, reflect, or interact with light in any way. For decades, we've built incredibly sensitive detectors, burying them deep underground to shield them from cosmic rays, all in a desperate search to catch a single particle of dark matter. And so far, nothing. Its existence is only known by the gravitational shadow it casts on the universe. If we ever solve this puzzle, it will fundamentally rewrite our understanding of physics and reveal the hidden architecture of reality itself. And finally, at number 1, we come to the most profound and personal mystery of all: human consciousness. What makes you, you? What is this inner experience of being alive? We can map the brain, measure electrical signals between neurons, and even use AI to predict what a person is about to say. But no scientific theory, no experiment has ever explained how a 3-pound lump of tissue in our skulls gives rise to subjective experience. The feeling of seeing the color red, the joy of hearing a favorite song, the ache of nostalgia. Why do we feel love, sorrow, and wonder when our brains are essentially just biological computers processing data? Some physicists propose that consciousness is a quantum phenomenon, born from processes happening at the subatomic level within our neurons. Some philosophers argue it's just an illusion, a useful story our brain tells itself. But if that's true, why does it feel so real? Why do we dream? Why do we create art? This question goes beyond neuroscience. It touches philosophy, spirituality, and our search for meaning. Unlocking the secret of consciousness wouldn't just be humanity's greatest scientific achievement. It could be the final frontier, the key to understanding our place in the cosmos. Science pushes forward every single day, but the more we learn, the more we realize how vast the ocean of the unknown truly is. These mysteries remind us to stay curious, to keep asking questions, and to never stop exploring. Who knows? Maybe the person who solves one of these great puzzles is watching this video right now. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and stay curious.